how to enable or disable, allow others to join your personal hotspot on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Personal Hotspot. Then tap on Allow Others to Join. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also set the Wi-Fi password so that when they are joining your hotspot, they will need to put in the password in order for them to join. And that's it. Now if someone has an older device, you may need to turn on Maximize compatibility so that they will be able to connect to your personal hotspot. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.